I'm so stoked about this mission. I barely slept. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, I'm praying for good weather and it seems like you're gonna get it. Today, I'm gonna see a waterfall that I had been seeing every time I hit that Pan American highway to go to Panama City. There's this huge waterfall that I see up on the left, and I'm always saying, I have to go see where that is. Coincidentally, there's a guy I met in January who knows it and who's gonna take me today. So excited, can't wait. Today I'll be joined by a friend that I met here called Betty. She lives here in Boquete. She's from the US and she's been here about 3 years, so let's do this.
Hey!
Yo!
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, bro. What's up?
What's that? What's up, bro? There we go.
Let's do this!
Let's do this.
So we just met Jonathan at the terminal in David and we are about to head across to where the trail is for the waterfall. So, say what's up, bro?
Hey, doing good. I'm excited.
This is the man with the voice.
Oh yeah. Beso en el cuello cuando te beso en la boca. Quiero tu cuerpo, todito encima de mí. Tú tienes el talento entero.
I don't know what you're saying, but tell him, bro. So it's driving along this highway when I just look to the left and see this huge waterfall looking at me, and completely unexpected. So I'll give you a view of what that looks like in a second.
There you go.
Oh my god! Okay, so there's a high possibility that the place is closed, that we can't get into the trail, but let's see what's happening now.
Yes, sir, that's right.
Hola.
¿Cómo está el caballero? Buenos días. I normally know that when you're doing something for the country, they all say yes. So I
because you said I'm stuck in Panama,
that's right.
he let us get in?
Yeah, because you're a tourist.
Well, let's do this!
Let's do this.
We're getting it done! Let's go! Okay, so thankfully the guy was kind enough to let us in so that we can do this. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, you see the size of that thing. I'm stoked out of my mind right now. I think it's time to take this off, right? Okay folks, so I'm relegating the mission to a GoPro now, at least until we get up to the top of the trail. This hike is going to be intense. It's 1 hour, but it's 1 hour, well, you see the kind of uphill. So let's do this. Right. So we just heard something there that sounded like a dying dog. But then it threw me right back to Trinidad because I recognized the sound. It's a howler monkey. I'll see if I get a couple shots of it, but right now they're just making noises and staying hidden. So we'll see. Okay people, this is Jonathan.
What's up guys, this is Jonathan Willis. I'm a singer and a composer. You can look at my my work on YouTube, Don Tonic. And I'm over here with this dude, having a great experience.
So the thing is, I coincidentally met this guy in January when I came. I just sat down to eat some food and he and a friend sat down with me and we ended up speaking, and 8 months later here we are doing this amazing hike. He's a great guy, so check him out. Wait, give them a little bit of your voice, sing something.
Difícil es ver tu cuerpo y no ir tras de ti en busca de conseguir que me bailes bien lento. Déjame abrazarte, Yo quiero saber, sé que quieres darme hasta el amanecer.
So we just began, and I already hit my 10,000 steps for the day. We still have 45 minutes to go. These boys making me look like an old man. By the way, we lost Betty. She took one look at this hill and she was like, nope, I'm not doing it. So she went back to the car. I'm beginning to think that was a good idea. Let's do this. Those boys have left me. They're really young. They're really fit. One of them is on a basketball team or football team, soccer team. Oh, he's good. I am on the quarantine team. I'm definitely feeling the effects. Reminds me of the good things in life. You have to work hard for them. Let's get this work. I think my savior is here. So that truck that we took was such a savior. That definitely helped the day, for me at least, against these young boys. So we just got to this place and I'm speechless. I don't think I've seen a view like this before. I'll just let the footage speak for itself. My God. So there is a trail to go to the bottom of the waterfall, but we don't know where it is. So the tour guide that we have today, well, he has only come to the top of the waterfall so far. Can't find the trail, but we're gonna go looking. Hopefully we can get down there, and hopefully we don't get lost. Alright, so that was a little tough, but great. And it doesn't look like we're gonna get to go to the base of the waterfall today. So I guess it's something to look forward to another time. But it's been a journey. It's been really good. I'll just poke a photo like right here to show you what it looks like, so that we know what we're getting into next time. So back to Bokete we go. That was epic. So that was a great success. I am thoroughly exhausted, but quite satisfied. I mean, I'm a little disappointed, I'll admit, that we didn't get to go to the bottom of the waterfall, but I think we did okay. Enjoy the visuals, and it's something to look forward to when we go back. And apparently there's some white water rafting included in the next one. So until we do that next one, like, subscribe, share, and I can't wait for the next one.